Why do we mortar set a brick curb along the edge of an irregular bluestone patio? I hate to see steel edging, and I don't want my patio to start to wiggle and move. So as we continue our look at the garden at its worst possible time of year, I wanted to show the curb edge that is around our bluestone patio. We laid this 6 or 7 years ago, and our brick curb goes around. You can see it at this time of year. You can't see it at other times of the year. But our brick curb is a border and a perimeter around both our patio, but it also extends out around the edge of our garden to help keep the garden beds in place. It's a pretty simple technique. If you can mix mortar and you can run a string line and set grades, basically run a type S mortar slurry underneath, set each brick, not too wet, not too dry, and then the mortar itself will set and cure, and you'll have half the brick under grade and half the brick showing up. This is a pine haul rumbled, has a little bit of milk spotting on it, and just a neat texture that complemented our bluestone well. But again, half the brick is underneath. Used this shape and made a template. There's some perennial baby's breath that comes back as a ground cover edge, and some liriope and allium bulbs that haven't really emerged yet. But you'll see some of the milk spotted pavers that are down here. Again, any material like that as a brick curb will work. We have it on the edge here to delineate between our loose gravel and our liriope bed to keep the two in place. Helps this loose material from going along and trickling out and getting all over the place. Helps keep ground covers that are a little bit aggressive in their own zone. And also in this case, it helps the stone from shifting and moving on the outside edges. So it sort of serves multiple purposes there. And that's our brick curb at the edge of our patio, as well as a functional purpose for holding our garden beds in place.